Okay, real quick, I just wanted to show example of how I was able to get my live flight tracker in Google Maps to show using Pubnub. So I copied this code from CodePen and I added my publish key, subscribe key, and of course my Pubnub channel, and additional in addition to my Google Maps API key in the code below under this code. And this message lat window, this value key value pair here, it's updating my latitude point every point zero in steps of 0.001 and my longitude in steps of 0.01, and that is causing the map to redraw in those steps at an interval that's set to 500 milliseconds. Up there was my initialization point, so every time I refresh, my initialization points start in San Francisco, and they just increment, with this formula here. So again, it happens, the intervals every 500 milliseconds. And this is a map that was generated in CodePen. I have the link below to CodePen. If you would like to dive deeper into JavaScript, Pubnub, real-time maps, real-time mapping with JavaScript, where you can see maps in real time, feel free to check out my tutorial at the link below. And it's really just a quick start guide in order to connect the dots. Now, this tutorial will walk you through the steps. It's a step-by-step tutorial on how to do everything. However, it is not a tutorial on how JavaScript works. So you need to at least have a basic understanding of JavaScript. But even if you don't have an understanding of JavaScript, you can still take the course. You just can't expect to get a knowledge in JavaScript by taking this course. The purpose of this course is really to get you up and started with Pubnub. That's the main objective. It's just a Pubnub course in order to get the code. And the reason why I created this course is because although Pubnub have tutorials here and there, it took me a while to get everything in one piece and to just see it all work together. So that's the purpose of the course. Again, the link is in the description. And if you want to generate a real-time flight tracker test, then this is a way to do it.